So, what will happen when we put oil into water? What will happen when we put food coloring into the mixture? And what will happen when we put alkali into the mixture? Hello everyone, my name is Jahan. So today's experiment we are going to do is the lava lamp. So we are going to explore the relationship between water and oil in terms of density and to observe the chemical reaction between acid and base. So the materials we need is a clear glass, as you can see, with some water in it. We need oil, we need alkali, and we need food coloring. So method to do this experiment. So first we need to put some water into this clear glass. Then we have to put few drops of oil into it. Then we have to put food coloring and alkali into this. And then we'll see what will happen. Now let's start the experiment. So first just going to take the oil. So now as you can see, the oil has not went into the water, it has just separated from it. So wow, it looks very amazing. So now let's keep the food coloring in. Whoa. We need to only keep a little, not a lot. First, take some, put it in. Whoa. So now as you can see, the food coloring is just like a big blob like in the down of the oil. And now let's see what will happen when we put alkali into it. Just open it. Now we need to only keep one. Whoa! So as you can see, it has just became into like a like it's in a circle, but like it feels like something is erupting in it, like a chemical reaction, like it's going to explode or something. And from here, it's just making so many bubbles. Like it looks awesome. It looks like a lava kind of. And whoa, there's also some few bubbles over there, which is also going up. Whoa, and it's still making a loud sound. So it is just very good. So when we did this whole experiment, we saw that the gas has been separated and it's just making these bubbles just from keeping few stuff in it. Just keeping some few stuff. It just looks very awesome. So now